Hi, my name is Angus Ho with Daddy Dat, a part of the Ash Management Group. I want to show how you can budget as a full-time engineer, make real estate investments, and live an exceptional family life as a dad. So, come along with me in this journey of wealth. Bitcoin at one point almost touched $60,000 and has also now lost half of its value. The volatility of this currency is nothing short of newsworthy. All major news outlets are reporting, like Forbes, Yahoo Finance, BNN Bloomberg, and many others. Other news sources are reporting that cryptocurrencies are slumping. This includes, of course, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin got a pretty good hit. Now that crypto is experiencing this slump, is it time to hold, buy, or sell? If you own crypto, thinking of owning, or planning to selling, this video would be perfect for you because making the best decision now will ensure that you will create wealth. Otherwise, you will just be losing more money, causing more mistakes, and leading to lots of money lost. You don't want to be that guy that throws away opportunities and never want to invest in crypto ever again. The crypto crash appeared out of nowhere. It's like those dislike trolls. They honestly appear out of nowhere as well. If you haven't yet, make sure you smash that like button to help me attack those dislike trolls back. Your help would be super helpful and I would really appreciate it in return. Like I was saying, the crypto crash literally appeared out of nowhere. But if you have been following this space, there were a few factors that led up to it. For one, Tesla CEO Elon Musk announced that the company was suspending its acceptance of Bitcoin as a form of payment due to concerns over its impact on the environment. In a tweet, Elon said, "We are concerned about rapidly increasing use of fossil fuels for Bitcoin mining and transactions, especially coal, which has the worst emissions of any fuel. In order for Bitcoin to succeed over the long term, it needs widespread adoption from merchants." When Tesla announced earlier this year that it would start accepting Bitcoin, crypto supporters were excited that this may mean other companies would follow suit. Now that Tesla has backtracked, many investors are concerned that Bitcoin will have a harder time gaining acceptance, especially considering Musk has been one of Bitcoin's most prominent supporters. Around the same time as Tesla's announcement, China began cracking down on cryptocurrency as well. While China has discouraged crypto for years, it revealed that it was imposing heftier penalties for Bitcoin mining. The process of creating new Bitcoin tokens. Bitcoin mining has long been concentrated in China, and the country's crackdown could affect the global crypto market. While the current crypto crash may be unsettling, it's nothing that cryptocurrencies haven't experienced before. Crypto has always been subject to extreme volatility, so this is not necessarily a new phenomenon. So now that we now have a bit of understanding of what happened, let's see what many others are thinking and doing. According to JP Morgan strategist and Bitcoin expert Nicolaus, he sees the medium-term fair value for Bitcoin in the $24,000 to $36,000 range. This analyst thinks that Bitcoin still has room to continue the downward trend. In an article written by the Motley Fool, they too don't make any recommendations to buy or sell the stock. The only recommendation they make is anyone planning to invest should also invest in some low-risk index funds. So the question is, in this situation, what would I do? If I already have shares that I bought in low, should I sell? Well, that is definitely up to you, as the question remains, are you happy with the gains thus far? I would still sell it right now, as there is still a potential for Bitcoin to drop below 30K, and once it does, buy it again. If you bought it high, then I wouldn't sell. Unfortunately, it's time to hold and see what comes out of it. Even if Elon doesn't believe in it now, I'm sure someone else will step in to replace Elon. If you are contemplating on buying it right now, I would say buy it when it reaches below $30,000, because that is the price that some have evaluated as fair value. Just remember that this evaluation can change at any time based on new information, supply, demand, and many factors. Therefore, invest at your own risk, and anything I say is for educational and entertainment purposes only. No advice or investment strategy is given here. With that being said, I have not invested anything into crypto just yet. I hope this video provides some great insight on how I would invest in Bitcoin. If you enjoyed this content, make sure you smash that like button. If you want to continue the conversation, make sure you join me and the many others at the Daddy Dat Facebook group. Make sure you let me know your thoughts on Bitcoin and ask the YouTube community your thoughts by commenting below. By making the right decisions now, you can save and make money so much faster. This is totally part of the Ash method of save. So make sure, if there is anything you got away from this, is that it's all about mindset. With the right mindset, you will reach that dream goal of yours faster. Whether that is to live in that dream house of yours with an ocean view, travel the world and see Walt Disney World, become financially independent, and retire early. Whatever it is, it all starts here. As always, thanks for watching, and until next time. If you like to hear more budgeting, engineering, or real estate tips, please leave a comment down below on what you want to hear. Smash that like button, subscribe button, and be sure to hit that notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I post new videos every week on Mondays and Thursdays. From the Ash Management Group, this is Daddy Dat, saving you money.